Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to link your investment accounts to Credit Karma. So let's get straight into it. So to link your investment accounts to Credit Karma, all you got to do is just follow these simple steps. And step one is to log into your Credit Karma account. Now you can log in on the mobile app or you can log in on the website. Once you're logged in, you just want to click on the investment tab, and then you want to click on link an account. And now you gotta select the investment account type and then enter your account credentials, and once that's done, just confirm the link. And now you gotta wait for Credit Karma to sync your investment data. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to link your investment accounts to Credit Karma. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.